how to fix Windows 11 update error code 0x800f0991. So if you're also facing such Windows update error, so first thing what you need to do is just search in for the troubleshoot settings from your search bar, and once you simply search in for that, you can see there's an option called other troubleshooter. So just tap on this, and once you're inside here, you can see there's an option called Windows Update. So basically run this troubleshooter from over here and see what's the problem is. So once it fixes your issue, and if it's still not working, try restarting your device. And if it's still not working, so another thing what you can do is just hit the Windows plus R keyboard on your keyboard and just search in for the following, that is services.msc. so once you search in for that, it will open a new tab over here. So now all you have to do is just locate the Windows Update section or Windows Update option. So once you locate it, just right click on it and click on its properties and make sure it's enabled to automatic, and click on start and click on apply and click on OK. So once you do all of that, another thing what you need to do is just search in for this another option called background intelligence transfer service. So just double click on it and make sure it's also enabled to automatic, and click on start, click on apply and click on OK. So once you do all of that, try restarting your computer and try restarting your update service as well and see if it's work or not. So if it's still not working, so final method what you can also apply is just run the cmd on your PC or search bar and run it as an administrator. So once you run it as an administrator, now don't worry, all you have to do is just follow my command over here, that is just follow all of this or copy all of this code one by one, just like this. So don't worry, I will be providing all of these options or commands in the link in the description. So once you do all of this step by step, just like this one by one, and what you can do is hit the enter, it will automatically scan your PC and try to fix any internal issue which is causing that, which might be causing such issue. So once you do all of that, your issue regarding Windows 11 update error code that should be fixed just like that once and for all. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.